Hey guys, John Grimsmo here, and I have a very packed, very exciting day and video to show for you guys. So we are going to the Elliott Matsuura Joint Open House, which is an event we've been to many times in the past, and it gets more interesting every time we go. I'm bringing about 4 of my guys from the shop, and we're going to go to Elliott Matsuura, DMG, Ferro Technique, and Emac. But step one, a couple of the guys are in early, get the shop running, get the machines running so that they can run while we're at the show looking at other automated equipment. It's going to be sweet. We made it. Boys are already here. Okay, one of the really cool things we're doing here is because Elliott Matsuura really hooked us up back in the day to get our first 2 lathes. I brought some pens to give to them. So I've already given 1 to this guy from Tornos, and I've got 7 more to knock off my list. Tony Gunn, back in the house. MTD CNC. He came to our shop a couple weeks ago, filmed, had a good time. So it's good to see you, buddy.
It's good to see you as well, and one of the most cleanest and most beautiful shops I've been to. In fact, it was raining that day, and they had us stand on a mat for about 10 minutes to make sure that it dried off, because that's how perfect this machine shop is. And that perfection translates right into the perfection of the knives and the pens. Yeah. So if you don't have one, you gotta go to the website, although there's a waiting list. That's where I am right now, on the waiting list trying to get a knife.
This guy gets it.
Absolutely do.
70 HRC.
70 HRC, this one.
Interesting.
And it's a AES series from us.
Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, this place has already been busy. I've been here for an hour. So much fun coming here. It's like a candy store. Big NTX. All right, so MTD CNC wants me to pop into something.
Welcome back to MTD CNC. We're at Elliott Matsuura today. Oh my gosh, you're gonna look at the cameras, are we not? But we have a Nakamura behind us. Perhaps that's what you guys should look at as well. Although I got my brother, my Norwegian brother, John Grimsmo from Grimsmo Knives. Some of the best knives, if not the best on the planet. They also sell pens. Had a great privilege of being there not too long to see this factory and facility.
This show's been super amazing, and I love it when I see our products in the pocket of goofballs like Eric from AeroX. Blowbox, fantastic. We've got, what, 2 of them now? Love them. Use it every single day. I mean, you just think about it. Oily part comes off the machine. Where are you going to blow it off? You blow it off into the blowbox. Otherwise, you're blowing it back into the machine or on your pretty shop floor. Unacceptable. So these guys came up with this. We helped a little bit. And is there a light in this one? Oh, yeah. These are so great. You just blow all your dirty parts and chips into here, and then now you have clean parts on your bench to build up. Everybody needs one. It's so good for me to bring some of my guys, 4 people from the machine shop here to the show. They just get to see and learn and figure out all kinds of new stuff and talk to the vendors and ask their own questions, and it's been just wonderful. They're having so much fun. Gratuitous demo parts. Tim, once again, an amazing show. Like I've told a lot of people at the show this year, I've been to many of these, 10?
16.
10 years?
But yeah.
Like I've been here since a long time ago. when I was a nobody. And like, you guys have helped me grow. I really appreciate everything you guys done. It was really fun to bring the pens around and like give them to all you guys.
John, thank you very much. It's great to have you back. Yes, the nobody is now the John Grisbo and the Grisbo team. Good for you, and I'm happy for you.
That's awesome.
It's good to see you.
So, great show. Thank you very much.
We'll do it again. John,
Awesome.
thank you.
It'll be good. So next off, I'm going to Norseman Foam Company. All right, scratch that. I do not have time to go to Norseman. There is a Norseman about 10 minutes away from this coating company, but that's not the right one. The right one is 36 minutes away in the complete opposite direction of where I need to be. I don't have time to make that today, so unfortunately I had to cancel that. Off to DMG Mori next. It's raining a lot. Oh, smoke. They don't have Arrow mist collectors. So this machine is the new version to our DMG Mori Dura Vertical. Much different. It's got their fancy front end, but it's still running almost identical back end. So what's going on here? This is one of those Lang pallet changers. So it's bringing in an entirely new pallet, setting it down, and where are they stored?
In the tool changer.
Oh yeah, like as a tool. So there's a fixture and a pallet and a part inside that tool holder, so you can replace it on that side. And then it puts it over here, and then what does it do, like a rotation and then up?
Yes. And you reverse the lock.
Oh yeah, I see it's rotating very, very slowly. Is it gonna come up soon?
Yeah. When that line will line up with the
pin? Huh. So the base is manual?
Yes.
Not hydraulic or pneumatic or anything?
Oh yeah, it's all Lang and it's all internal, nothing special. So it's like a poor man's automation.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. I know a guy who used this on his Haas and loved it. Like, did a really good job. Fancy demo moves. That's really cool. It's a big machine. Amish, this is the next machine you get. Compared to this machine that only has a motorized tailstock. So you drill a little hole, live center, that rotates, pushes in here at a certain amount of pressure, and then it can stabilize your part, but you cannot transfer it to the other side and machine that slug off. So you're left with a half-finished part, always. Sometimes that's fine. Look at this.
Then you can change your part, whatever, then you put it back.
So you reload your material, you tell the HMI what you did, what's next, what program to run.
In fact, yeah, it's ready soon.
Coming 2023.
But yeah, you confirm what is inside. So let's say I put 4 pieces.
Okay.
Then this is my job GOH. Then the NC file that must be run.
Okay.
Because we are sending the NC program to the CNC.
This is storing the NC program?
Yep.
Okay.
Or it can be linked on the drive in your shop.
Okay.
Then I save it. Then I can just say close and it's content confirmed, or I can also add it to the work queue.
Okay.
So now it's pending.
Yep.
So if I go into the manage work queue, I'll see the drawer number 2 is in progress.
Yeah.
Then the next one will be drawer number 1. And I can just switching it if I want.
That's really cool, man. Next up, Emac. They sell Okuma and Tsugami. You get to be personally chauffeured around. Look at this mold. This is the 660.
The 660.
This is the big one.
This is the big one, yeah.
So Saunders has the 550, and yeah, this is enormous. Really nice surface finish. Saunders, I found your machine. Can you make fancy stuff like that?
Oh, you're close. Very close.
This way.
Try a different way. Don't turn it.
What?
There you go.
That is not going on YouTube.
Oh, definitely. It's the moment of realization.
Oh, well, now this is
Right?
just genius.
That's nice.
So as a first-time Saga
Oh, boy.
user,
Yes.
how has your experience been so far?
It has been a great learning experience.
Yeah.
But I love it. It's very innovative.
It's very common that people get stuck and they're like, how do I do it? And I will not tell people how to fix it.
But when you figure it
when
out,
you figure it out, it's
amazing.
It's very satisfying.
It is. I love this though.
Cool.
This is the VBX loading phone.
So it's on
Oh,
wheels.
I can turn it on, yeah. I think they can turn it on. Hold on.
Oh, cool. So it actually rolls in. It like pins into the thing.
Yeah, let's get it.
Look at this.
Yeah, I thought you saw this from last year.
Briefly, but I remember old guys in my way.
Well, now you got enough.
Okay. So it pivots into place and you can lock it in, therefore it's all like aligned. And he's got a interface right there. We can pick the pallet. So he's got part loading, part, and finished part. Bottle opener, classic. Load and go. Yeah, either part loading or pallet loading is really become a big thing these days. Door automatically closes. Looks like it's grabbing, interesting, it's grabbing a set of jaws. Spring-loaded jaws, that's interesting. What? Well, that's clever. Except it missed. So it's got grippers in the soft jaws that pick up the part, bring it over to the vise, shunt pneumatic vise. Drop it down into the vise, and then it actually flips the jaws back over and mounts them in the second vise for op 2. Success. One more stop, Pharaoh Technique. This is where I got my brother Speedio from. Let's go. Rolling in with 15 minutes to spare. Plenty of time. So the show's wrapping down. I'm here with Ian from Pharaoh Technique, and Ian's been one of my contacts for the Speedo that we ordered, and we're currently talking back and forth. It was actually really good that I was here and I caught him, because we're talking about how we're going to integrate the Speedo and the Aroa, which is my next big project. So it was really good figuring out all the little details, right? There's a lot of ways it can go, and it's good to get everybody on the same page. So I'm excited for that. So a couple weeks, right?
A couple weeks.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to go behind the curtain and see some cool stuff. And you guys can't come. Oh, okay. I am both wired and thoroughly exhausted. Show's over. I'm good. I'm toast. Things are awesome. Yeah, thank everybody at the vendors for putting on another great show. I learned a lot. I know my team had a really fun time chatting it up. Pierre said to me, he's like, John, I can spend so much of your money here. So that was cool. But we didn't buy anything, we didn't spend anything. That's good, but I learned a lot of cool things actually, to take home and think about and plan for the future. So thanks for coming along with me on this journey. And as I mentioned in the other video, we don't do any sponsorships, we don't do any ads, we don't do anything. But what I do need you guys to do, if you're willing to, subscribe, because I want to catch up to John Saunders in subscribers at NYC CNC. We're at about 75 and we've been flatlined forever. He's at 400,000. I want to catch him by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me out, that would be amazing. No reason, I just want to do it. I want to see if we can do it. So let's do it together. So anyway, guys, see you in the next video. A lot more coming. We do actually have good plans for more videos. So I'm going to pass out and go to sleep. Later. Bye.